NetApp's Cloud Portal allows you to consume all different types of services and also solutions that NetApp offers. You can choose from things like disaster recovery, data backup, or SaaS applications, as well as different products that are currently offered. For instance, you'll see here some services like Cloud Volumes, ONTAP Cloud, and Cloud Insights, which we'll focus on today. You'll see here now I'm logged into the Cloud Insights dashboard. And this dashboard is configurable so when any user logs in, you can select a different page for them to load. Here we're seeing some performance of our NetApp storage arrays. Now this is looking across a global view of all my different data centers and can also include information from public clouds as well. You'll see it's broken down by different array types, so I have my all-flash, my hyperconverged infrastructure, Cloud Volumes, as well as E-Series and Storage Grid. I can also see a capacity breakdown and performance history of all those separately or aggregated over time. Now currently I'm only looking at the last 24 hours, but I can switch this to look at the last, say, 3 days. Now I'm getting a performance view and archived data from the past 3 days that Cloud Insights has collected across all my arrays. Now this was an example of a storage dashboard, but I can look at things like applications as well, maybe Kubernetes clusters or OpenStack. So if I go to my different dashboard here, I have one separate for Kubernetes. Now we're looking at a different view, and this view is showing us, again, very Kubernetes-centric, so things like clusters, network throughput, how many pods we have, CPU utilization per cluster, and memory as well. So now I'm looking at just data collected about my Kubernetes infrastructure, and I'm displaying relevant information to that application. And we can also look at applications like MongoDB, for instance. So now I'm looking at things like database performance, memory utilization, heap usage, how many connections I'm seeing, as well as latency. And I can break these different graphs down based on resources in my data center or in the public cloud, or I can see an aggregated view of what you're seeing right here. So for instance, we're seeing cloud on tap latency, as well as some things on-prem with that MongoDB instances as well. It's very flexible in what you can create. That's a quick example of how Cloud Insights allows you to collect data across all of your infrastructure, whether it be applications, private cloud storage arrays, compute infrastructure, as well as public cloud resources, and display data about them, configure customizable views, and get a deep look into how my applications are performing.